Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a product called Synaptigen. We're going to break down everything its creators are claiming straight from their own promotional materials. You know, everyone's looking for ways to support their brain health, right? So let's jump right in and see what the makers of Synaptigen say they're bringing to the table, especially when it comes to memory and staying sharp. They're calling it a breakthrough natural solution. And what does that mean? Well, according to them, it's all about creating a natural formula to help you keep a healthy memory even as you get older. All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. What exactly is this stuff, and what do they claim it does for you? Let's break it down. Okay, so this is their main pitch. They call it a cutting-edge brain health formula. And it's not just about one thing. They're talking about a triple threat: memory, focus, and clarity. The whole idea is to help you stay mentally sharp, for the long run. They really break this down into three key areas. First up, just overall healthy brain support. Then, they talk about it being a clear mind aid. And finally, the goal is to help you maintain sustained mental agility. So those are the big three claimed benefits. So you're probably wondering, how do they say it works? Well, the main idea they put forward is that it helps clear out sugar buildup from your neurons. By doing that, they claim it helps your brain cells talk to each other better. It's all about nourishing and protecting those cells. Okay, so that's the how. But what's the what? Let's pop the hood and take a look inside the Synaptigen formula to see what ingredients are actually in it. Right at the heart of this formula is what they call a proprietary blend of probiotics, basically a special mix. And as you can see, they list 3 specific strains that they say are the powerhouse of the supplement. But it's not just probiotics. They've also added in some plant-based nutrients and prebiotics. Think of these as the support team for the main probiotic blend. We're talking about things like inulin, which is a type of fiber, and even strawberry and peppermint extracts. And they're quick to point out a few other key features too. They say it's an all-natural formula, it's non-GMO, super easy to use, and this is a big one for a lot of people, absolutely no stimulants. And speaking of easy to use, it really doesn't get much simpler than this. It's just 1 tablet a day. You can either let it dissolve in your mouth or just chew it. Super straightforward to add to your daily routine. All right, so now you know what's in it and how you're supposed to take it. Let's switch gears a bit and talk about the money side of things, the different packages and discounts they're offering. Whoa, okay, take a look at this chart. According to their numbers, a whopping 96% of their customers go for the 6-bottle package. So that's clearly the option they're pushing as the best deal. And of course, there's a reason so many people might be choosing that option. It comes with a bunch of free bonuses. So let's see what else they throw in the box. First up is a bonus called the Deep Sleep Blueprint. They put a $79 price tag on it. But with that 6-bottle order, it's totally free. This guide is supposed to be packed with doctor-approved tips to help you fall asleep faster and get that really deep restorative rest. Then there's bonus number 2, Sharp Mind in 7 Days. This one's valued at $89. And you guessed it, it's also free with that big package. This one's all about giving you tips to clear out brain fog and just think a little quicker. And the last bonus they're offering is 10 proven ways to learn faster. Another one they say is worth $79. And just like the others, it's thrown in for free. Oh, and it's probably worth mentioning, they also say you get free shipping in the US with that 6-bottle deal. So that's the whole bonus package. Okay, so buying a big batch of anything can feel like a bit of a leap of faith, right? Well, it looks like they thought of that because the whole offer is backed by a pretty solid-sounding satisfaction guarantee. And the number you need to know here is 180. That's 180 days, a full 6-month money-back guarantee. That's a pretty long time to try something out. And here's the promise, straight from their site. Basically, they're saying if you're not impressed with the results, just let them know, and you'll get every single penny back. They're really trying to frame it as a totally risk-free thing for you to try. So there you have it. That's the rundown of what Synaptigen claims to be, what's inside it, and the whole offer they've put together. Now, if you want to dig deeper, see all this for yourself, and maybe even claim that discount, all you have to do is click the link in the description. That'll take you straight to their official product page.